Good morning. It is Monday morning, first day of school for the week. My class starts at 11 and it is currently 10:15. So I'm going to get in my car and start driving to my classes. I'm really tired. I've been getting more sleep. I worked like all day yesterday. By the way, if you didn't know, I'm also a server slash hostess at a restaurant, besides also being a YouTuber and full-time college student. I'm a busy gal, so if I talk about that, that's my job. So I wanted to tell you really quick about this amazing website called Desenio. They have the cutest, coolest, minimalistic, like funky prints and art on there, and they helped me decorate my apartment, which is so nice of them, and I'm super grateful. You guys really need to check them out. Super affordable stuff, just awesome. Enjoy this vlog. Keep on watching to see a bit more of my apartment and how much decorating we have gotten done. Just like sneak peeks. The apartment tour will be coming very soon. I'm finally pretty much happy with my room, so stay tuned. Guys, look what I just got. Got my package from Desenio in the mail. Our walls are fairly empty. Not a lot of stuff going on, so we're about to fix that. Put some in my bedroom too, and look, yeah, pretty empty, pretty boring, so. There's art inside Desenio.
How do you feel about
Just
this?
just say hi.
Hold on, can I inspect this? No. Hi, sisters.
Here's hilarious.
Welcome to the sister vlog.
We're in the same class, so I just met them and they're awesome and they're just killing me. This is our professor.
4 followers you know. Barack Obama.
This is king of Twitter.
Oh, we love him.
What should I actually do
What should I say?
There's like 3 of us, so like I feel like it's more comfortable. Yeah, you're right. All right, guys, left class. Vlogging on campus, walking on the crosswalk.
Can we tell them about what
welcome to the
book
vlog,
title is?
guys.
Yeah.
Ladies and friends and family. Our assignment, sisters. Our assignment in class today, we made a book title. And it's called East Atlanta Santa, a tale of Santa Claus from the hood.
From the hood, yes.
We love learning. We love education. We love education, thousands of dollars, but it's fine.
From Into the
We
State
paid
Book.
$1,000 for this class, and we're talking about East Atlanta Santa, but it's fine.
Bible 2.
Yes.
The, what's it called? The, Communist Manifesto.
Oh, yes.
This time it's
like
personal.
Mass communist instead of mass communication.
Wayne Garcia.
Hi guys, so it turns out that Brittany and I are like neighbors, and so there is a pool party at our apartment complex, and she met one of my roommates there and it was super cool, but whenever we came home from that pool party, my roommate Marissa, she went into her room and there was just a random girl from the pool party that somehow stumbled her way into our apartment and she just laid in her bed. Like,
Keep your doors locked, kids.
yeah, like we're locking the back door from now on.
I feel like when you say that, it means it is. I just got back from running some errands. I have my prints and posters from Desenio. So pretty and so my aesthetic. 2 right here. One's going in my bathroom. Don't worry, I'm not gonna load up my room with moons, even though I love them. So this one's pretty. I think this one's gonna go probably over there. Got some cheap frames from like IKEA or whatever. They also have some frames on the website. I just didn't order them because I wanted to save my money on the prints. Pretty gold frame. Chloe?
Yeah.
How do you do picture frames?
What?
I don't know how to do this. It's coming to my realization right now that I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to get this into this. Okay, so
You just have to get really in there with your nail and then
wow.
oh, this is a fancy one. You just have to twist it. We like that. We like the more easy ones.
She's got so just twist them.
Strength right there.
I didn't.
Oh, I got myself.
Oh no!
I'm bleeding.
That looks nice.
That looks so cute.
I like the sketch. It reminds
I love
me
it.
of the creation of Adam. the famous painting.
Of the what?
Creation of Adam. It's a little different, you know.
Is it by?
The hands, Michelangelo.
Oh.
And this guy.
Oh wait, yeah, you're right.
Reaching out.
The moons.
This one's my favorite. I love this one. La Lune. It's got a little quote about the moon and the sun shining and stuff, and it's just cute.
Sunshine. Hi, I'm Sunshine. La Luna.
Stop.
I love just moons and sunshine.
So
I like nature. Nature.
voila! I love it. It looks so nice. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. We love. It looks so nice. Aging it. We still have a bunch of extras. We'll probably put some on that side too. Yeah.
I agree.
Like a corner. Chloe has some Disney posters in her room too. Look how cute her room. Le Blanc.
And
And what?
me. This one turned out cute. Once I put like a preset
Oh
on
my
it.
gosh. Wait, let me see if I can. Oh, it looks so nice. Yeah, I know it looks really dark, but I can see it on the camera. That looks so nice. I love it. Like, literally, thank you so much, Yesenia. You've added like so much character and just like cute, like glam and art to our apartment. Yeah, so right now in my room, I have this Phases of the Moon poster. And it's right underneath my little hanging plant. So pretty. Okay, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep this yet exactly, but I also have this one. I don't know, like maybe you guys can comment down below. Do you think that that looks good? Because there's like 4 moons on my wall. Like there's this one over here, which is a single one, and then there's a 3-phase one here. So I don't know, like, Also, I got this big boy today. He is literally taller than Sophie. I love my little planty boy. He's beautiful. Yeah, my room's really coming together and I'm really happy about it. I just have to like finish it. I'm pretty much really happy with it, but I just don't know about the moons right now. I can kind of switch out the prints or maybe put something else there instead. But either way, I love both of them. I just don't know if they look good there. So yeah, comment down below what you think I should do, because I'm confused and indecisive. We're just editing pictures and videos right now.
This is just the social media life, guys.
It's day in the life of college YouTubers. It's nice getting
I'm freezing, that's why I have a fur coat on.
It's nice getting to do it together though.
Yes.
Like we shoot together, edit together. It's nice. It's just like nice.
Mwah!
Mwah. So I just finished taking pictures with Chloe, like doing a shoot and whatever, and I think I'm gonna make myself some dinner soon. This is kind of just like, you know, I feel like this is like a pretty short vlog, but pretty accurate to like what I do. It's been a pretty chill day. I had like 1 class to go to today. I got a lot of stuff done though. I went and ran errands. I just didn't vlog it because I thought it was boring. So we're about to cook dinner together. Italian cooking music. I like it.
This is my favorite. Okay, here we go. I'm literally just making salad.
I'm literally making veggie burgers. I'm just having a cooking night, you know? Botticello. Oh, yes. I love in-home entertainment with all my roommates. So I know it doesn't look that good, but they're actually really good. They're spicy black bean burgers, and I made them kind of crispy and they're delicious. And this is Chloe's salad she made. Look at that art, wow. So we're gonna eat our dinner now. Guys, do you see that frog? I don't know if you can see him. He's fat as, he's so freaking big. He's huge. He's like a gerbil. Oh my god. Look at that thing. Oh my god. Go. The glamorous life of college students is walking all the way out to your complex to throw away trash. Yes, Chloe. Yes. We just walked all the way out to the garbage can. They're super fun, super cute girly night walks. Okay, so the girls I met earlier today and the other girl I met the other day, they live here in my neighborhood apartment complex, and so they invited me over to like their little dinner, and like I'm like excited, like nervous. Okay, so I'm closing out for the night. I want to get to bed early because I really need like some more sleep. I haven't been getting enough, honestly. But it was really fun. The girls were really nice and it was really fun and it was great. I love meeting new people on campus. Like everyone's so nice and welcoming, so that's awesome. This was like a little sneak peek of my room before I can give you the apartment tour. So yeah, bye guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please subscribe and you'll get to see my apartment tour and roommate tags and all that kind of stuff.